Are you tired of spending your weekends scrubbing your pool instead of actually enjoying it? Say goodbye to messy hoses and tedious labor with the PoolMr Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. This powerful, hassle-free cleaner does all the heavy lifting for you. With its powerful suction and advanced dual-drive motors, it effortlessly captures leaves, dirt, sand, and debris from your pool floor, leaving your water sparkling clean in no time. Because it's completely cordless, there are no tangled cords or complicated setups. Just turn it on, drop it in, and let it work its magic. When the battery runs low or the cleaning cycle finishes, it automatically parks near the wall, making retrieval quick and effortless with the included hook. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, the PoolMr is the ultimate time-saving upgrade for your home. Ready to reclaim your free time and enjoy a spotless pool effortlessly? Check out the link in the video description right now to get yours on Amazon before the stock runs out.